If you watch recipe videos on TikTok, chances are you've seen these Parmesan-crusted potatoes. They seem really easy to make, and they don't require a lot of ingredients. Win-win, right? So let's give this a try and see just how good these really are. We'll start with a viral video, and then go back to an earlier version.
Parmesan-crusted oven roasted potatoes, and it goes like this. Anybody can do it. You start out with a half stick of unsalted melted butter. You go in with a third cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and then with some of that Dano's OG, that's the green top. You can go spicy or chipotle, but you turn it into a paste, and then you get that paste, maneuver it around, and you paste the whole bottom of your pan. And then get your potatoes scored just like that in a tic-tac-toe, and you put them in and you roast them. These were red potatoes. We roast them at 425 for 35 minutes. Yum, yum, get you some.
After watching that viral version, I figured this recipe had to have earlier origins. So with a little bit of searching, I was able to find it. Start off with about 10 or 12 baby potatoes. I'm using Yukon Gold. Carefully score them at least a 1/4 inch deep so that they open up a little bit when they cook. I'm using my favorite elements from both versions. Here, I'm spritzing the back of the potatoes with olive oil, like in the second recipe, and seasoning them. Preheat the oven to 425 and prepare a pan just like the first recipe. You use half a stick of butter and a bunch of Parmesan, and then you lay the potatoes cut side down right into the cake pan. After 35 minutes, the potatoes were definitely done, but I wasn't quite happy with the result. To me, they're really just pale little roasted potatoes. Don't get me wrong, you can definitely serve them like this, but why not make them a little bit better? Flip all the potatoes over and just broil them for 3 minutes. That's all it takes to get a beautiful golden brown crust. Much better. If you try this, make sure you season the potatoes. They really absorb the butter and Parmesan, and you don't get that much flavoring from the crunchy topping. With just a few tweaks, this recipe is definitely a keeper. It's attractive, tasty, and easy to make. Give it a try the next time you see some baby potatoes at the store. Even though a spice mix made this recipe go viral, you can use just about anything to season them. Go crazy! Drop me a line in the comments and let me know if you ever end up making this. Thanks for watching.